Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and click bell button so that you get notification of my next video. Let's start. We have to know about what is cost. So the total amount of expenses incurred for a product. That is the expenses incurred for a product before it reaches the customers is cost. For this to know all the expenses in detail, we prepare a statement known as cost sheet. We show all the expenses in cost sheet. We learn about this cost sheet in next video. Now these expenses are divided into two. So that is direct and indirect. So what comes under direct cost? Direct material, direct labor, direct expenses. Together this cost is prime cost. Next is the indirect cost. Indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses. Together these elements are called as overheads. So in overheads it's again divided into three, that is factory overhead, office and administration overhead, selling and distribution overhead. Those in factory overhead, it is related to the production of factory. All indirect materials, indirect labor and indirect expenses, it comes under factory overheads like wages, lighting and heating, tax, insurance of factory, then factory rent and rates. All it comes under factory overhead. Next is office and administration. So in the indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses related to the office like rent, stationery, office rent, office stationery, then office salary, manager salary, cleaning, insurance, office lighting, all it comes under office and administration. Next one is selling and distribution overhead. So product is packed and sold to customers, and there are some elements which involved in indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses under this selling and distribution overhead. So like salesman salary, warehouse charges, transportation expenses, uh, rents of sales departments. So all together prepared in a statement, that is we call it as a cost sheet. So cost sheet is togetherly prepared by prime cost, factory overheads, then office and administration overheads, selling and distribution overheads, all are shown in a cost sheet. We get cost of a product sold, and also sales will be known from this cost sheet. So from this sales, if this from this sales will get profit or loss. So if the cost of the product is less than the sales, then it is profit, and if the cost of the product is more than the sales, then it will result loss. So this can be understand while preparing a cost sheet. So in detail we can study about this elements of cost. So elements of cost is divided with direct expenses and indirect expenses. So first one is direct expenses. So in direct expenses, we can see direct materials. So what is this direct materials? The direct material is all the materials out of which a product is to be produced or manufactured. For example, for making a wooden table, the raw materials is wood. Like milk is direct material of butter. So these are the examples. Next one is direct labor. It refers to the amount paid to the workers who are directly engaged in the production of goods. Next one is direct expenses. It refers to all the expenses which is incurred by company to produce a product. So together this direct material, direct labor and direct expenses is known as prime cost. Next we can see what comes under indirect material. Indirect expenses. First one is indirect material. It is the material which is required to produce a product, but it is not directly, it is just it is not a form part of finished products. For example, in a wooden furniture, the indirect material is nail. Next one is indirect labor. It refers to the amount which is paid to the workers who are indirectly engaged in the production of goods. Next one is indirect expenses. It refers to all the expenses that are incurred by organization to produce a product. So like power used for production. So together this indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses, we call it as a overhead. Next we can see the division of overheads. First one is factory overhead. So factory overhead is it refers to the expenses which incurred in production place or within the factory premises. So this also known as production overheads or work overheads. Next we can see that office and administration overheads. So it is the expenses which is incurred in connection with the general administration of the companies, and it is also called as office overheads. Next one is selling and distribution. That is all the expenses which is incurred with connection with the sales. So these are the tree, and also the distribution overheads it's incurred in connection with the delivery or distribution of goods and services from producers to consumers, like delivery van expenses and loading and unloading, custom duties. So all together the indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses will be incurred in this overheads. So that's all in this video. Hope you like my video. Thank you.